Hey guys, listen, I just wanted to give a little quick update. The floor is not ready. I mean, it's gonna take a while to get all that done. But I know it's been a while since I posted. So I was gonna do an update. I was looking for some parts I ordered. But now I'm working on the floor and the firewall. It's just real tedious stuff. I mean, look at that, popcorn. We'll grind it, smooth it out, and then continue around. And I just tacked the back. It looks ugly right now, but I'll make it fit. You can see I already started. It's gonna fit just fine along that ridge. I don't have to fill that in, which is not a big deal. I'm already having to fill in on the front. Anyways, so yeah, still welding. Gonna take a while. So other than that, I already started ordering engine parts. I showed you the new suspension stuff. Where is that? I ordered a new Y pipe, up pipe, whatever you call it. Real shiny stuff. And maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in the box under the shocks. I think that's what I did with it. Oh yeah, shiny stuff. Okay. Oh yeah. So we'll take the old one out. That'll hang up like that. So that's where the new one comes into play. And you see these old bellows is what cracked a lot. And this one's already cracked because you can see it's all gross. That's where the soot come out, and it covered the whole transmission. And then when you, on the air conditioner, you could smell exhaust if you didn't have it on recirculate. So this will, these just flex. They don't break like those do. So that will go in the place of that, and then you'll notice there's no kick out for EGR cooler. That's gonna go away, but see, that's how you weld. That's how you do some welds. Look at that. But it's a real nice piece. The guy got it from, he has somebody make them and he sells them, and he puts them on his race truck, which is god awful. I don't know how many horsepower. We're just, we're easy. So yeah, shiny parts. I think, what else was in here? And that's the when you take the EGR out, that's what you put in this place. And this is the guy I ordered it from. You just look him up. He's building a race truck right now. It's a single cab. He's got a daily driver and he's got a race truck that he's saving money for. And he's pretty knowledgeable on the 6.0 stuff. So that's where I've been talking to him about that. What all I need to upgrade and make this thing safe. But that's pretty much it. I mean, just got, you got to get some shiny parts in every now and then when you're doing this labor intensive stuff. And more popcorn. But anyways, I'm gonna grind out that other stuff I already put in that patch and come back to it. We'll take a look. All right, so I hit it with the grinder a little bit. And you see it's hard to see without getting a reflection on it, but so all the popcorn is gone now. It's all smoothed out. So now it's kind of, trying to work this side and just go around. And underneath, I'm gonna bend this over. I'm gonna do some relief cuts, bend it over on top of that floor. And then underneath, I'm gonna put, all right, I had a piece of angle iron. But yeah, underneath I'm going to find some spots where I can put an angle iron piece. Because on this side it was all rusted out. And I cut this Super Duty floor as far as I could that way. So I'll have to do angle iron just for it to have something to sit on. And then on this side too, I'll just do it on both sides. And then the back will be held up by, the pieces that we cut up, the flaps. See, I already started to prep it. I'll fold that down on top when I'm done prepping both of them, and it'll go all the way across, and of course the firewall. That's about it. I mean, there's not much else. It's this tedious job of welding, and I'm using this piece of the Super Duty floor to, you know, to patch stuff in. It's coming along, but it'd probably be another month or so. Try to put in some full days in the shop and get this stuff all welded up, and so I can tackle this. But that's about it. If I get any more done next couple of days, I'll just wait and do one whole video on the floor being done and ordering parts and tearing that down. Thanks.